Have you ever wondered what makes Tuscany, Italy so enchanting? Why not start the journey from its heart, Florence? Florence, the capital of Tuscany, a city that breathes art, culture, and history. It's like stepping into a living museum where every building, every piazza tells a story. Take the Duomo, for instance, an architectural marvel that dominates the city skyline with its grandeur. Its intricate facade and towering dome are a testament to the creative genius of the Florentines. Then there's the Uffizi Gallery, where time seems to stand still. It houses some of the world's most treasured masterpieces, from the likes of Botticelli, Michelangelo, and Da Vinci. A stroll through its hallowed halls is like a journey through the annals of art history. And let's not forget the Ponte Vecchio, an iconic bridge that is as much a symbol of Florence as the Duomo itself. Lined with quaint shops, it's a vibrant testament to Florence's enduring charm. But Florence is not just about grand landmarks. It's about the hustle and bustle of daily life. The vibrant street performances that turn its piazzas into open-air theaters, the lively chatter in its cafes, and the little moments of joy that make life in this city so special. In Florence, art and life intertwine in a beautiful dance. It's a city that invites you to lose yourself in its labyrinthine streets and discover something new at every turn. Florence, a city where every street corner whispers tales of artistic grandeur and history. Moving away from the city, the landscapes effortlessly transition into rolling hills and picturesque countryside. The Tuscan countryside, a region that truly captures the essence of Italy, unfolds in a panorama of undulating greenery, where vineyards and olive groves paint a vibrant mosaic on the canvas of the land. Every twist and turn in the road reveal an ever-changing backdrop of scenic beauty. Quaint farmhouses dot the landscape, their rustic charm a vivid testament to the region's rich agricultural heritage. Tucked away amidst these rolling hills, you'll find charming villages, their ancient stone walls whispering tales of a bygone era. These villages, with their winding streets and sun-dappled courtyards, are the epitome of rustic elegance. The vineyards, a quintessential part of the Tuscan landscape, stretch out as far as the eye can see. They are a testament to the region's long-standing tradition of winemaking, with generations of families tending to the vines. Nestled amidst these vineyards, olive groves bask under the warm Tuscan sun, their silvery leaves shimmering in the gentle breeze. The Tuscan countryside is a place where time seems to slow down, where life moves at a more leisurely pace. It's a place where you can take a moment to appreciate the simple beauty of nature, the harmony of the landscape, and the rhythm of rural life. From the golden hues of dawn to the fiery colors of sunset, every moment spent here is a celebration of serenity and peace. The Tuscan countryside, a portrait of tranquility and rustic elegance. In Tuscany, wine is not just a beverage, it's a way of life. Here in the heart of Italy, the art of winemaking has been perfected over centuries. The journey begins in the vineyard, where the sun-drenched grapes are hand-picked at the peak of their ripeness. Once harvested, these luscious fruits are pressed, and the juice is set to ferment, transforming into the nectar that is the soul of Tuscany. The cellars of Tuscan wineries are a sight to behold, brimming with rows of oak barrels, each one cradling precious vintages. Every step of the winemaking process is a testament to tradition, patience, and the love for this timeless craft. For those who appreciate the finer things in life, the renowned local wines such as Chianti, Brunello di Montalcino, and Vernaccia di San Gimignano are not to be missed. Each sip tells a story of Tuscany, its people, and its heritage. A glass of Tuscan wine, a taste of the region's soul. In Tuscany, every meal is a celebration of flavors. A culinary journey through this region reveals a rich tapestry of tastes, from the rustic to the refined. Tuscan cuisine is a testament to the region's agricultural abundance, with every dish spotlighting fresh, local ingredients. Imagine the sizzle of a Florentine steak on a hot grill, the fragrance of rosemary and garlic wafting through the air. Envision the vibrant colors of a panzanella salad, the crunch of fresh bread soaked in the fruity tang of local olive oil. Picture the velvety texture of a papa al pomodoro, a hearty bread and tomato soup that warms the soul. From cooking demonstrations where skilled hands knead pasta dough to perfection, to the convivial atmosphere of a local trattoria where families and friends gather over a shared meal, Tuscan cuisine is as much about the experience as it is about the food. Tuscan cuisine, a symphony of fresh ingredients and traditional recipes. Tuscany's charm doesn't end with its countryside. Meet the Mediterranean Sea. This is where Tuscany bears its soul to the world, in the form of breathtaking coastal towns and serene beaches. Imagine strolling through the narrow, winding streets of these coastal gems, each corner unfolding a new picture of rustic charm and timeless beauty. The beaches here are not just stretches of sand, but canvases where nature paints its most stunning landscapes. Imagine the feel of golden sand beneath your feet, the taste of salty sea air on your tongue, the sound of waves gently lapping against the shore. The Tuscan coast is a symphony of colors, from the azure sea to the lush greenery that dots the landscape. Each town, each beach, each wave that crashes against the shore tells a story of serenity, of tranquility, of a life lived in harmony with nature. The Tuscan coast, where the azure sea kisses the golden sand. Beyond Florence, Tuscany hides historical gems waiting to be discovered. As we venture deeper into the heart of this enchanting region, we uncover a world steeped in history and rich in culture, far from the crowds of Florence. In the quaint hilltop town of Volterra, we find a rich tapestry of Etruscan, Roman, and medieval influences. This ancient town, perched high above the Tuscan countryside, is a treasure trove of archaeological wonders. From the well-preserved Roman theater to the Etruscan Acropolis, Volterra provides a fascinating glimpse into the past. Just a stone's throw away, we find the medieval walled city of San Gimignano. Known as the Town of Fine Towers, San Gimignano stands as a testament to its rich medieval history. The town's 14 surviving medieval towers, once symbols of wealth and power, now serve as stunning reminders of a bygone era. Moving eastward, we arrive at the charming town of Arezzo. Not as well known as its Tuscan counterparts, Arezzo is a hidden gem boasting a unique blend of history and artistry. Here, we find the Church of San Francesco, home to Piero della Francesca's famed fresco cycle, the legend of the true cross. This masterwork, a pinnacle of Renaissance art, tells a captivating tale of faith and devotion. As we continue our journey, we stumble upon the picturesque town of Lucca. Encircled by well-preserved Renaissance walls, Lucca is a haven of architectural splendor. The town's Roman amphitheater, transformed into a unique public square, is a testament to Lucca's intriguing historical evolution. And lastly, we set foot in Pienza, a true Renaissance dream. This architectural marvel, conceived by Pope Pius VI as an ideal city, is a testament to the grandeur of Renaissance urban planning. With its harmonious architecture and stunning views of the Val d'Orcia, Pienza is a sight to behold. Each of these towns, with their distinctive histories and unique charms, contribute to the rich tapestry of Tuscany. They stand as living reminders of the region's vibrant past, inviting us to delve deeper into their captivating stories. Tuscany, a treasure trove of history and culture. Tuscany is not just about places, it's about experiences. And what better way to experience the vibrant spirit of Tuscany than by immersing oneself in its cultural festivals and events? Every corner of this region pulsates with life, especially during festive seasons. Picture this: streets come alive with the sound of music, the air is filled with laughter, and the joy is palpable. Each town has its unique celebration. From the captivating Palio horse race in Siena to the dazzling Luminara festival in Pisa, where thousands of candles light up the night sky. Food and wine festivals are a feast for the senses, featuring mouth-watering Tuscan delicacies and the region's finest wines. Meanwhile, the colorful Via Reggio Carnival showcases the region's creativity with its grand parade of floats and costumes. These celebrations are a testament to the Tuscan way of life, a blend of tradition, community, and fun. Tuscan festivals, where culture comes alive with music, laughter, and joy. So, what makes Tuscany so enchanting? Well, it's a symphony of experiences. Imagine starting your day in Florence, a city that's a living masterpiece, brimming with iconic landmarks and a vibrant cultural scene. Then, escape to the serene Tuscan countryside, where time seems to stand still amid rolling hills, vineyards, and olive groves. A journey here is not complete without a wine-tasting experience. Tuscany's wineries are more than just places to sip wine. They're a testament to a tradition deeply rooted in the region's culture. And let's not forget the culinary delights. Every meal here is a celebration of fresh, local ingredients that will tantalize your taste buds. The Tuscan coast offers a different charm. The Mediterranean Sea's blue hues against the backdrop of coastal towns is a sight to behold. Beyond Florence, the region conceals historical gems waiting to be discovered. And the vibrant cultural festivals? They're the life and soul of Tuscany. Tuscany, a region that captivates the heart with its art, landscapes, flavors, and culture. A journey here is more than just travel, it's an experience to cherish.